with that. Oh, must have been a little. I'm trying to catch this little old small bass right here. This little old small one. Let's see if I can catch this little ass. Get out the way, bluegill. Let go of my bait. Get them something a little bit bigger to chew on. Oh, stop fucking calling my name. It's a nice little creek bass right here. I'll throw everything I got at him just so I can get him in. There you go. It's a damn bluegill. All the small fishes out the way. That means something big just came through here, because I had like a whole bunch of fingerlings, palm-sized bluegill all in front of me, and now it's a desert town.
Caught anything?
I got a couple of bites.
What?
Y'all should have saved that for some firewood.
Nah. Let's go. That's very tree.
I ain't say cook with it, just the firewood for the wintertime.
Oh.
You can't never have too much firewood in the wintertime.
Yep, right about that. What you catch?
Oh, it's a whole lot of bass and bluegill in here right now.
Bass?
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of little fingerlings right in front of me right now.
We'll have them somewhere to.
Yep. See if they out there. No, I see it. Ah! God almighty. Ah, he got off. Dead nabbit. He messed up my bandito bug too. Shout out to the bandito bug doing, you know what I'm saying? The bandito bug did his job. I guess it was operator error. Nah, it's all good though. Hey, that's a part of fishing, man. You're not gonna get everything you catch, you know. Did I catch him? Yeah. Did I put hands on him? No, but hey. He was a flying fish for a few seconds though. That was pretty smooth at this location. That's pretty smooth. Can't complain at all. Oh, he came off. Oh, he came off. Oh, he came off, he came off, he came off. God almighty. Okay. You know the big one in the river or the creek, always the one to get off. So that was like 8 pounds, bro. 8 pounds, bro. I had an 8-pounder that came off. Don't you hate when your buddies tell you stories like that? Hey man, I had a huge one that got off, bro. Like, yeah, man, I'm more like 8, maybe 9 pounds. Oh, okay. The stories that people tell, and that same story, that fish get bigger and bigger every time he tells it. That'd be amazing to me. I love it. What are you stuck on? I'll get a spot of rest and come back. This spot may have some potential. This looks like a nice potential spot for the drop shot. I see some bluegill beds, so that means old greenback might be around. If I see a couple of bluegill beds floating around here. Mr. Greenback might be around. You know what? I have grown to fall in love with the drop shot. I just recently learned how to tie it and use it last year. And let me tell you something. This thing works wonders. You don't really feel it bite as much as you see it. So I have a high vis braided line, FG knot tied to some fluorocarbon, and the way it works is pretty amazing. also like because you get it right here on the bank, and it would hit it right here on the bank, like so. Oh crap! Oh, that was another one. It might have been a bluegill. I seen him and I seen him take it. It might have been a bluegill. I should have brought my bluegill pole here. It seems like that's the one. Those are what's hitting right now. That's 2, 3. How many bites is that? 3? He was on the bank. I can see my lure, my bait, dancing in the water. Let's see what comes up and snatch it off this. See what's out here. And like I said, with the drop shot, you're not really paying attention to the reaction. To me, you're not really paying attention to the reaction of the pole, more of paying attention to the reaction of your line. Because since I got the high vis line on there, I can see when the fish have took my bait and kind of slowly swimming away with it. And he's not going to put enough pressure on the line to let you feel it through your pole. So it may go this way, it may go that way, it may go back out into the water. So you don't really feel the tension of the fish on your pole, for sake, like, you know, catching a catfish or even catching a bass and you just using like a crankbait or what, you actually feel him hit your bait through your pole. You don't really feel that. To me, you don't really feel that hit, that thump on a drop shot as you will for any other bait. That's just for me. And I can see my bait again. Let's see if I can get anything to hit. I use normally, me personally, I use a wacky style hook with a weed guard. For one, I mean, hey, it works. It works for me. You know, that's what I use. That's my personal preference. Somebody gonna say, oh, well, no, you ain't supposed to. Oh, there go one right there. A little small, rinky dink one. Let's see if I can get this little small guy to come in, introduce himself to us. And just like that, got a fish. Yeah. And like I said, you know, you don't feel the hit. You don't really, you know, quit. You don't really feel a hit. It's just seeing your line move. And that's what I did. Okay, bye. Thanks for having us. You know. So yeah, you don't feel the fish hit. You just see your line move. And I just seen my line move, and I knew he was there. Well, she was there, you know. But hey, got the skunk out the board. Yay me! Yay! Feels good getting the skunk out the board, no matter how big or small the fish is, you know. Like, and then, you know, that little small teenager, or, you know, just got out of his fry stage, he probably born this year, probably. You know, a drop shot can catch something that small all the way up to a share lunker. So, you know, drop shots are good. And they're good for, like, beginners, experts. A lot of people use this method in bass tournaments. This method has won a lot of money. A lot of money. And that's why, oh, he almost dropped his, dude almost dropped his dolly in the water. He's putting logs in the water and cutting down a tree. And I told him, man, keep that logs for firewood. It get cold in Texas, believe it or not. Okay, cool. We got the skunk off the board. If all this fails, hey, that's a win in my book. Let's try this out one more time. We make our way down to another spot. And you know what? I think that one fish have pretty much caused me to be dominant with the drop shot this year. This year I've been hammering them. I'm talking about nailed in the coffin hammering them with the drop shot this year. Like, my biggest fish this year was a 3.7, 3.6, 3.7. Caught it on a drop shot. So the drop shot has been good to me this year. Okay. Really good.